Let's go where we're going. Don't hesitate, we can figure out the details on the way.
Morning, you guys. It's currently 9 a.m. We're on our way to Yosemite, to where we are going to camp, and we're passing down Highway 4. It's kind of smoky, but just a little bit. Say hi. Mask on for safety. Time to enter Yosemite National Park.
Hi. Get a reservation?
Yeah.
You can just hold up.
Annual pass.
Just stick it up to your windshield and leave it up the whole time you're here in the park. Okay.
Don't mind me. So, it's our first day in Yosemite today. We are in Yosemite Valley, or we're making our way to Yosemite Valley, but we passed by the Merced River, which is like what I'm standing in right now. So the Merced River is usually more rapid and aggressive. Even if it's like summertime or like springtime, but right now it's calm and serene and peaceful. I don't like wasps, but it's calm and peaceful, and we're enjoying the fresh air and beauty, even though there have been fires here. The sky is looking clear, even though it's a little bit hazy. We're just enjoying our day, and we're driving around and having fun. Flamingo. No, praying mantis.
Relaxing day, so
Yeah.
there's not a lot of people. We're not in a hurry.
Watch
And
this
we
though.
feel safe in Yosemite.
Oops. That was a fail. But here right now, there's only a few people here because, of course, the fires, the pandemic, but at the same time, it's also because there's reservations, so only a few people could get in to Yosemite. One thing we noticed while we were here, not only is there an amazing view of El Capitan, but behind me is Bridal Veil Falls. Right now, the water flow isn't very strong, so it's not very obvious, but it is there. Here is what it looks like at its full peak. What's up, you guys? So we went from Merced River to El Capitan to Bridal Veil Falls. So now we're at Yosemite Meadows. So it's like a big open field fresh air. There's this boardwalk that was made so that you don't destroy the meadow, because people sometimes trample on the plants and damage them. This keeps the ecosystem good and healthy. So walk on the boardwalk. So right now we're amidst a pandemic, but it's safe to go outside as long as you have a mask and you're keeping your distance from people. At Yosemite, there's not a lot of people, so it's a really nice place to just wind down, relax, and as you can see, the field is almost empty. There's like 3 people in the background. Look at how beautiful this is. The half dome is right behind me. Do you see that? Hi guys, so it's only really like 7 or 8 right now, and we're eating some pasta that we heated up, and we have a little nifty light right here. We mixed our pasta with our peanut sauce because unfortunately we don't have pesto, but the peanut sauce works well. It's really good. It's like a cheese chicken pasta, and I also added a little mayo, and we also have our nifty kimchi, homemade. We also have some bread. Good night, everyone. Have a good night. We'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so we made it to Yosemite Falls. Took the lower trail to Yosemite Falls, so we could see the falls from below instead of going up to the top. But this season during fall, the Yosemite Falls is actually there's no water, so it's dry, and the river that connects to Yosemite Falls is also dry. And as you can see right behind me, that's the falls right there. You can see where the water would have flowed, but it's dry, so it's just rock. But usually Yosemite Falls is a very strong fall, so it's filled with water, but it's not right now. Hey guys, so like I mentioned earlier, the river is dry because the falls has no water. So behind me you can see the river. Right now it's just rocks. If there was water, it would be really full and you'd see some of the rocks, but it wouldn't be like as much as this, you know, but it would be really full. And the river goes that way, but there's also another one that goes that way. I haven't seen Yosemite this dry in my life. Like, I've been to Yosemite multiple times since I was a kid, and I've always seen the Yosemite Falls and river filled with water, and like you can see the big boulders, so like you can imagine how big and powerful the water would be if that was full. Morning, you guys. So we woke up early. It's 4:30 right now, and we're making something warm. Tea, food, you know, and I'm sitting like this because it's cold. Look,
Why did you wake up early?
because we're gonna go hike at Cloud Rest, which is 14 miles. There's a fire in Yosemite. As you can see, it's kind of smoky. Well, I mean, it's not like currently going on, but it's smoky. Apparently there's 4 fires happening, but look, is smoky. You see that? I could paint that. It looks so nice.